BluBird Capital managing partner to the show. Anni, welcome to the show. I've been watching and reading your work for some time, and I got to tell you, it's like going to school. I learn a lot almost every time I read something, so thanks for coming on the show. Just real quick, so the audience understands a little bit about your background.
Absolutely. So I am a former FANG engineer. I've worked at Apple, Intel, Qualcomm, and I've always been interested in investments. And where I found a hole is trying to explain the engineering underneath that investment. So that's where BluBird Capital comes about. It's an independent research and it's an independent research platform. And where I come in as an engineer and I try to explain the engineering underneath the investments. I talk directly to the people that do the engineering.
Right. So let's start like with some of the big news here recently, right? Last night, this big IPO, CXMT, 212 times oversubscribed. There were three players that, for a long time felt like they had this to themselves, right? Micron, Hynix, and Samsung. Now you've got this Chinese-backed player. I think the Chinese government, one way or the other, has almost 40%. And I talked earlier in the show about this. Are we eventually going to see the same playbook where they undercut, with the pricing and just take market share? Already, think about this. Apple is lobbying the White House to use their chips.
I absolutely don't think CXMT is a threat at all. And I've written about it. I'll tell you why. One is they are 3 cadence behind, where the technology from Micron and SK Hynix, which are the 2 main leaders in this memory wars. Their yield is 25%, which means they weigh 75% of the die. They're 3 cadence behind. Their pricing is 30% higher. Their HBM output is way lower than Micron and SK Hynix. So I don't think they have any competitive moat with these former ones. On top of it, China's own internal demand cannot be fulfilled by CXMT. So I think the memory trade stays within SK Hynix, Samsung, and Micron continuing forward and expand.
So then having said that, you're bullish. You would be a buyer of Micron and the Korean names?
Absolutely. I would be a buyer today, and I would continue to be a buyer. My target for Micron year end and even January 2027 is around 1,200, which is quite a bit potential higher from here. I see the ROI that Google last week presented. They're 80% growth in cloud, right? And they have a backlog of 500 billion. Then last week also we learned about Kimi K3. What Kimi K3 said is open source models are going to be in the future mix. What that means is cheaper tokens, more usage, more agents, which just means more memory because the context window gets bigger. We already know there is more memory per GPU, which went from 96 gigabyte to now 300 gigabytes.
Right.
There is no end to memory usage, and we haven't even gone to autos and physical AI.
Right. So that's it. That's what we want to know because, on the street, people tend to use momentum, charts, guessing. Very few understand the engineering, and I love that's where you come from. It gives me a certain amount of calm to understand that part of the story, because that doesn't go away overnight. We'll talk about a few other names on your long list. BB, it's been a while. It's coming on real strong here. I'm hearing this now as a play on robotics.
Yes, more so robotics. BlackBerry, we all know, grandfather's phone. Well, things have changed. QNX, which is their operating system for vehicles, it's in 270 million cars. And their CEO recently came on and explained it. It's a real-time operating system, but this is where I explained the engineering. What they have is something called a microkernel. The microkernel is individual kernels that are separated. They work in kind of a siloed way, where if something breaks in the main core memory system, they can rebuild from start, which is why BlackBerry QNX is used in so many vehicles. They have contracts, but RTOS is not difficult to build. What is difficult is getting the certification, which takes years, and having the certification for each of these major car manufacturers. So yes, QNX and their future Alloy Core. So QNX right now is about $3 per vehicle in royalties. Alloy Core, which is their future, which consolidates a lot of these into more of a software future for the vehicle, will make it go from $3 to $9.
Wow.
So that's where I think BlackBerry's potential comes in the future.
All right. I also know you like Celestica, and I know that you like Cadence. We're out of time. I wanted to bring you back. TV time is a little bit shorter than those TED Talks that you normally give, but I got to tell you, you do fantastic work. Again, every time you speak, every time you write, I learn something that helps me as an investor, because sometimes you need to really understand what you own when it's this newfangled technology stuff. Thanks a lot, Annie.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we'll see
Appreciate
you
that.
soon. Absolutely.